The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max with AutoWash Dock represents a significant step towards fully autonomous home cleaning. This new model features an AutoWash Dock that not only automatically empties the dustbin but also washes, hot air dries, and refills the robot's mopping pad after each cleaning session, drastically reducing manual maintenance. The Combo 10 Max employs a 4-stage cleaning system, a side brush for edges, dual rubber tangle-free brushes, 100% more powerful suction than previous generations, and an intelligent mopping system with a retractable pad that lifts when carpets are detected. Its sleek matte black design and low profile, 33.9 cm diameter, 8.7 cm height, allow it to navigate under most furniture and over thresholds up to 16 mm. The AutoWash Dock, while requiring ample space, 40 cm wide, 51 cm deep, 44 cm high, includes a 2.5-liter dustbin, 3-liter clean water tank, and 2.5-liter dirty water tank, along with a quiet drying system. Performance-wise, the Combo 10 Max excels in vacuuming various debris, particularly pet hair, on both hard floors and carpets. Improved Dirt Detect technology precisely identifies and focuses on dirtier areas. The Smart Scrub system enhances mopping effectiveness by applying consistent pressure and scrubbing motions to heavily soiled spots. Precision Vision Navigation, utilizing an RGB camera and LED illuminated sensors, enables efficient mapping and obstacle avoidance, including recognition of multiple floor levels and customizable cleaning zones via the intuitive iRobot app, iOS and Android. The app also offers scheduling, room-specific modes, zoned mopping control, and cleaning history. Compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri is included. With a 120-minute runtime, the robot can clean large homes and automatically returns to the dock to recharge and resume cleaning if needed.